Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Tim, and today, you guys remember when I did this one? Some of you might have seen it. Let's see this right here. It's all poking out. The black kind of swallowed the colors and stuff. So I'm just gonna re-pour on this one and do this exact same picture on it. So we'll see how that goes. I've already mixed my colors, and I do 3-part Elmer's glue to 2 parts water, and I mix that up, and then I mix my paints 2 to 1. 1 paint, 2 pouring medium. So of course I'm going to use white again, and black for the base. All these are crafts paint colors. What I've got right now, so that's what I'm using. And I've got red and I've got yellow. Okay, so I'm basically just gonna go for it here. We'll see how this is. I hope you can see the thickness of that paint. Okay. That's all of that one. Let's put on this one. Hopefully they're mixed about the same. Should put a lot of it just right here and then just pour it that way and see what I get. Just going to even this out. I want my black to swallow my painting this time. Just use this here. I gotta speak up when I talk. I got microphones coming, so my recordings are going to be getting much better than what they are right now. So I hope. And I'm still learning editing. That's why you haven't heard from me in a while. Trying to put this YouTube channel together and get my paintings out there. So what I want to do is I want to take orders for Christmas. I'm going to try to set up something where you guys can go to a website or my Facebook page or whatever and just look up the paintings that I've done, or the pours. Pick out that kind of style. If you want it in certain colors or the same colors, just let me know and I'll work up a pricing for it. Make sure that's not too thick. I'm going to add a little bit more water to that. Just a little bit. Looks too thick to me. Since I'm going to use a blow dry, I want this stuff to flow across the canvas. Guess I should have done a test, huh? Alright, well, it's going to have to work. Okay. I told myself the last time I did this painting that I was going to do a lot less white. Well, that didn't happen. Again, I think this white's too thick. I'll tell you that already. Uh-oh. It's okay. It's okay. We'll cover you with something else. We gotta get this white right up to the black. Don't want any of this old painting showing through. There we go. And it don't have to be all white here. It can be because we're trying to create a fire again, a fire looking thing. So hopefully it'll work. So let's start out yellow, red, and orange. Boop. 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 I don't have a whole lot of orange, but I'm gonna use what I got. I actually don't have the color orange. The yellow's pretty powerful, so I'll see a lot of that. So is the red. Beanie. These are fun to do because you never know what you're going to get. Now, do you? I don't know. Will this work? I don't know. Why am I doing it? I don't know. Just trying to figure this out and have fun with it. Let me see. I don't know. All right, let's go for it. Let's see what we get. I didn't even hook up the blow dryer yet. Sorry about that. I wasn't prepared. But I'm sure we've all done that, so here we go. I like it, I like it. I'm not going to touch this one. The last one, I totally messed it up. So, let's see what we get out of this. Let's see Heat it up a little bit. Oh, this is nice. Hope you guys can see that. This one better dry better. That's for sure. I can see hair in it. I can see a hair. Uh-oh. Oops, excuse me. I am so sorry. I did not mean to do that. We'll bury it because I can't get it. I don't want to touch it. I do, but I don't. It's a hard thing to do. But I'm going to leave it alone. Because it's gorgeous. It's just what I wanted. Yes! Okay guys, I'm going to pause you and I'll bring you down for a close-up, okay? So you can all get a really nice look at it. Okay, hold on. Okay, here we go. I am impressed. Lots of good cells. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. That's just all black up there. Here we go. That's beautiful. I don't know if it exactly looks like a fire, but still it is brilliant. Okay guys, I hope I gave you some really helpful information today in showing you that even if you might mess up on a painting, you can always turn right back around and put something else over it. Okay? Alright, God bless everybody, and if you found this valuable, please like and subscribe for more videos coming up. Thank you for your support.